All right, friends and family, we're back with another video. This is my man, Robert Falco. We share the exact same birthday. He's my best friend. In this video, we're gonna talk about two stocks that we like that are not tech stocks.
Not a tech stock.
What? So we looked through our portfolios and realized we don't own any non-tech stocks.
Pretty much.
So we thought about, should we ever diversify into something non-tech stocks? So if we do, and if you do, and it's something you can consider doing, these are two that we like a lot. Number one, Johnson & Johnson. You know anything about their balance sheet?
I know that they have a lot of cash.
A lot of cash, zero debt.
Zero debt, yeah.
Strong. So when you're talking about a company that's been around forever, Johnson & Johnson does a little bit of everything. If you open up your fridge or your bathroom, there's J&J sitting there paying you some dividend. So it's not sexy, it's not amazing, but that's one that will not be at zero in the next 10 years. And if it is, you can come back and fire me for this video, but it won't be, right? Johnson & Johnson will be here a decade from now, buy low, sell high. And the other one,
Progressive Insurance. I know insurance is not sexy, but you pretty much all have a car and are driving, and in order to drive, at least in the United States, legally, you have to have insurance. And those insurance companies, I mean, they have it figured out to where they know based on your age, your sex, whether you have tickets or not, your driving history, the type of car you drive, where you live. I mean, they have everything figured out in their algorithms to where they're going to make money. You have to have it. I mean, obviously, if you're driving a $30,000 car, you don't want to crash it and the car gets totaled, and then you owe $30,000 still to your bank or whoever you financed your vehicle through. Even if you own it outright, you still want to be able to get a replacement. So it's cheaper to have that insurance just in case something happens. Yep. They got it calculated where no matter what, they're going to make money. So
yeah,
I don't see how insurance is.
Correct. The hardest job in an insurance company is CPA to hide all the profits. Right? Progressive will be around for a very, very long time, and I like Flow. So Progressive, Johnson & Johnson, those are two that you can check out. Yeah, they're boring. Yes, they're blue chips. Yes, they're stable, but if you want some non-tech exposure to really good companies, go. Thanks for watching this video. You absolutely rock, and until next time.
Love life, trade it.